Ever wondered how celebrities achieve that perfect, gleaming smile? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of many in the realm of dental health. Veneers have surged in popularity as a means to a flawless, radiant smile. Well, the secret might just be dental veneers. Dental veneers, a thin layer of porcelain designed to fit over the front surface of a tooth, can transform your smile instantly. This transformative process starts with an initial consultation. During this meeting, your dentist will examine your teeth, discuss your smile goals, and decide if veneers are the right choice for you. Once you're all set, the real work begins. Your dentist will prepare your tooth by gently removing a small amount of enamel. This makes room for the veneer and ensures a perfect fit. Don't worry, it's a painless process and your tooth health remains intact. Then comes the creation of the veneer. Using a mold of your prepared tooth, a dental technician crafts a veneer that matches the color and shape of your natural teeth. This custom-made veneer is then sent back to your dentist ready for the final step. The grand final is the application and bonding process. Your dentist places veneer on your tooth, making sure it fits perfectly. Once it's in the right place, a special light is used to activate a bonding agent, cementing the veneer securely to your tooth. This process ensures a strong, natural-looking bond that can last for many years. And voila, you have a brand new picture-perfect smile. Now it's recap what we have learned about dental veneers. These thin coverings are designed to improve the appearance of your teeth, offering benefits such as color correction, shape refinement, and size adjustment. The procedure is straightforward, typically involving a consultation, customization, and application. The transformation can be dramatic, turning even the most troubled teeth into a dazzling smile. So next time you find yourself envying a celebrity's perfect smile, remember, dental veneers could be the secret behind it.